Did you know that Dalmatians are born all white? Yep, it's true. When these adorable pups first enter the world, they're completely blank canvases, just waiting for their iconic black or liver spots to appear. Isn't that fascinating? As they grow, those spots start to emerge, usually around 2 weeks old. It's like watching a masterpiece come to life. The reason behind this unique trait is linked to their genetics. The genes responsible for their spots are activated as they develop, making each Dalmatian's pattern completely unique. So every time we see a Dalmatian, we're witnessing a one-of-a-kind work of art. If you found this fun fact about Dalmatians as intriguing as we did, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing pet facts that will blow your mind.